Number 9 says, what is the total cost of a $500 iPad that is on sale at 15% off if the local sales tax rate is 6%? So we have two things that we need to account for here. We have the 15% sale as well as the 6% tax. So we have to do the sale first. So 15% times 500 will get you $75. So we need to take the 500 and subtract 75, and we get 425. So we've taken into account the 15% off sale. Now we need to find the tax on $425. So 0.06 times 425 is $25.50. So then this value we need to add to the 425. So our final answer is $450.50.